differentiate. We got two questions, 1 and 2. So let's do part 1. So y is given by 3 sine theta minus 4 e theta tangent theta. So this is in fact a product of two functions, okay, e theta and tangent theta. In fact, we can take 4 e theta is 1 and this one is another, like u times v. So we need to use product rule here. As we know, when we have u times v, product rule is u prime v plus v prime u. Okay, so using that rule, so we can find y prime is 3 sine theta. 3 is 3. Derivative of sine theta is cosine theta minus sine. So we are using product rule, so I'm going to put parenthesis or bracket, and inside using this rule, u prime 4 e theta derivative of 4 e raised to theta. 4 survives. Derivative of e theta is just e theta. So 4 e theta, that's u prime, times v. V is tangent theta. Plus, now derivative of v prime means derivative of v. Derivative of tangent is secant square theta times u, 4 e raised to theta. So we are done with the derivative. Let's just put in, just simplify, okay? So this is 3 cosine theta minus, we need to distribute negative 1 here, negative 4 e theta tangent theta. This is negative 1 plus minus, and this one we can write 4 e theta first, then secant square theta. There is nothing we can simplify, so this is final for this part. Now let's work on part 2. So we got secant theta times quantity 2 theta minus 4 cosine theta. So here is product. This is like u and v. Okay, again we got a product, so we will be using this product rule. Okay, using that, let me find the derivative. Y prime equals derivative of u, okay, u prime, derivative of secant theta, which is secant theta tangent theta, u prime times v. So let me write v, which is 2 theta minus 4 cosine theta. That's u prime v plus v prime. Now derivative of this expression, 2 theta minus 4 cosine theta. Okay, when we find its derivative, derivative of 2 theta is just 2, it's like 2x, so it's 2, minus 4 cosine theta. 4 is 4 times derivative of cosine, that's negative sign, times negative sign, that negative is going to make this minus, plus sine theta. Okay, this is v prime u, now secant theta, and you may live here, and this is it. You can distribute, but it's not going to make a lot of difference. Okay, so this can be left final.